Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change screen zoom on Windows 11. First you need to right click on the start empty area in your desktop, go to display setting, and you can do the same thing, go to start menu and go to setting again. Then after you need to scroll down under the scale and layout section. You can see scale option, change the value. You can see currently it is set as 100%. You can change it to 125. The zoom is fixed or not. Make sure to keep the recommended setting. Once it is done, you can go to display resolution option and you can change the resolution. There are several options here. Try to one by one the issue is fixed or not, but recommended one is the most suitable one. And don't remember, if you have several monitors, first you need to select the monitor, you need to change the resolution, then after change the setting. You can see now it is set as 120 by 124. When I change second one, it is changed. So make sure to remember that one. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.